Alright, so katatapos ko lang panoorin yung Suspect X na movie, yung Indian. And I can say that the Japanese movie, which is 2008, yung kay Galileo na Suspect X, at saka yung Suspect X na nasa Netflix ngayon, are around 50-60% the same. Kasi nga they are both adapting yung novel ni Hashigino. Nakalimutan na yung tama pangalan. So yung novel na Devotion of Suspect X. The difference, yung ending kaiba, medyo may pagka-comedy, may pagka-seryoso yung movie ng 2008, pero yung ngayon talagang heartfelt na talagang seryoso. And maganda yung film. If hindi ko napanood yung 2008, magagandaan pa rin ako sa film. But even then, it didn't erase anything kasi sobrang iba yung take nila. Kumbaga parang yung Joker lang ni Joaquin Phoenix, diba? Serious side. Doesn't remove the fact that Joker is a old character na sa DC Comics. So parang ganun din. It's an adaptation. They put their blend on it. They make it more heartfelt, more human, na hindi parang may superpowers or may kakaibang ability tulad dun sa Galileo. Wala naman siya superpowers, just physical, pero ang weird lang, no? May pagka-comedy kasi talaga yun. But this one, this 2023 film, it's really on that crime thriller. I suggest you watch yung 2008 na movie, Galileo Suspect X, saka itong 2023 na movie, so that you could decide on yourself on the difference on what's okay and so on and so forth. But for me, honestly speaking, mas maganda tong bagong film. And yeah, around 50-60% the same. May may specific na linya na same din ginamit dun sa lumang film. And may mga relationships daw na iba yung isang certain character. May certain relationships na parehas. May certain premise or mga parts na parehas. Kasi nga, well, they are adapted in the same novel. Pero meron ding mga naiba. Though hindi ko nabasa yung novel, so I cannot say which one is more, what they call this, loyal to it. Pero yun nga, para saan mas maganda tayo 2023. But nonetheless, it's, yeah, palutulit ako, diba? Based on the same novel. Yun lang naman. So, yeah, suggest you watch it, and it's a good film.